These are some toppings that I will be using. You can use whatever you want. I have some mango here, fresh mango, and this is chamoy, and I also have tajin, and this is my favorite. It's mango with chile, and I don't know about all the other stuff. My kids love this thing, so I'm just showing you just in case you want to try them too. But go ahead and use whatever topping you want. I am mixing tajin, pico polvo, and pica limon here just to make like a little mix to put around the cup where I will be serving the mangonada. It's like actually like making a margarita, something like that. And here you go, my friends, and this is how easy you make a mangonada using the Ninja Creamy. I really do hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe. God bless, and I hope I'll see you next time. Adios.